Hey there, fellow food lovers. Smoothie bowls are my passion. They're incredibly delicious and easy to make. The best part? You can pack tons of nutrients into one bowl. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all in a convenient and tasty package. Forget boring breakfasts and bland lunches. Smoothie bowls are here to revolutionize your meals. Imagine a thick and creamy smoothie, beautifully adorned with an array of colorful toppings. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. But wait, there's more. These bowls aren't just about fruits and veggies. They're about customization and creativity. You can add superfoods, nuts, seeds, and even a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. So are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of smoothie bowls? Join me as we explore some quick and easy recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body from the inside out. Get ready to blend, top, and devour. Let's start with a classic, the Berry Blast Smoothie Bowl. Bursting with flavor, this bowl is perfect for a quick breakfast or a refreshing snack. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, half a frozen banana, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings, such as granola, fresh fruit, and a sprinkle of coconut flakes. This bowl is packed with antioxidants from the berries, fiber from the chia seeds, and potassium from the banana. It's a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Next up, we have the Tropical Sunrise Smoothie Bowl. This bowl will transport you straight to a tropical paradise with its vibrant colors and exotic flavors. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango, half a frozen banana, 1/4 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Instructions: 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced kiwi, chopped mango, and a sprinkle of shredded coconut. The mango and pineapple in this bowl provide a good dose of vitamin C, while the turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits. It's like a mini vacation in a bowl. For all the green smoothie enthusiasts out there, the Green Galaxy Smoothie Bowl is a must-try. This bowl is packed with leafy greens and healthy fats, making it a perfect post-workout meal or a satisfying lunch option. Here's how to make it. Ingredients are 1 cup spinach, half a frozen banana, 1/4 avocado, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. Instructions: 1. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour into a bowl and top with sliced banana, a sprinkle of hemp seeds, and a drizzle of honey. The spinach in this bowl is an excellent source of iron and folate, while the avocado provides healthy fats and fiber. It's a delicious and nutritious way to get your greens. As you can see, smoothie bowls are incredibly versatile and easy to customize to your liking. The possibilities are endless. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods, you can create nutrient-packed meals that will fuel your body from the inside out. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and a smoothie bowl is a fantastic way to start your day on the right foot. It provides your body with the energy it needs to power through your morning. Lunchtime is another great opportunity to enjoy a smoothie bowl. It's a light yet satisfying meal that won't weigh you down. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra fruits and veggies. Smoothie bowls are not only delicious and nutritious, but they're also incredibly fun to make and share with loved ones. Get creative with your toppings and experiment with different flavor combinations. Invite your friends and family over for a smoothie bowl party. Set up a smoothie bowl bar with a variety of fruits, toppings, and bases. Let everyone create their own personalized bowls and enjoy a healthy and delicious meal together. Sharing your love for smoothie bowls is a great way to inspire others to make healthier choices. It's a fun and engaging way to promote healthy eating habits. In conclusion, smoothie bowls are a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body from the inside out. With endless possibilities for customization, you can create a bowl that satisfies your taste buds and meets your nutritional needs. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of smoothie bowls, I encourage you to give these recipes a try. You'll be amazed at how easy and delicious it is to create a restaurant-worthy smoothie bowl in the comfort of your own home. So what are you waiting for? Grab your blender, your favorite fruits, and get ready to blend your way to a healthier and happier you. don't forget to share your creations on social media and tag me. I can't wait to see your culinary masterpieces. Happy blending!